A very good morning to everyone. I am Sobhailas Misau of Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Kursud. Now I am going to present the topic Quantum Age Begins, Potential and Challenge. So first, what is quantum? Quantum, it is the smallest possible unit of a particle, matter, angular moment or physical quantity that changes its state. And the word quantum comes from the Latin word that means how much. Now, what is quantum age? Quantum age is the period or era where applications of quantum and quantum technology is used to change our today's modern technology and our daily lives. So, what is quantum technology? Quantum technology is a mechanism that uses quantum applications to change our today's technology. So, what is qubit? Qubit is a code language that is used by quantum computers. It can be 0 or 1 or both at the same times. The property when appears when qubit change itself into 0, 1 or both at the same time is known as superposition. Entanglement, it is a special connection between two or more particles. When two or more qubits are connected with each other, if one qubit is changed, then another will also, no matter how far they are. Now, let us talk about the potentials of quantum age. First, superfast computer, it can solve complex problems in seconds than normal computers. For this, we can use quantum computers that can solve any kind of complex problems just in seconds. Second, unbreakable security. We can use quantum applications or quantum technology to strengthen our today's technology and security system. Third, smarter AI. Quantum can help to empower AI so that AI can learn and make decisions much faster and much accurate. Better healthcare. Quantum. We can also use quantum in our medical field as quantum is a good technology. So it can help to design new medicines and make medical imaging more precise. And with this, we can also improve our diagnosis system in which we can get to know about all the diseases or problems inside our body very quick. Let's talk about the challenges of quantum AI. First, very expensive. The quantum mechanism or the quantum applications that are going to be used in our modern technology is very expensive and not everyone can afford this. Second, lack of experts. As quantum mechanism is very advanced technology, so there are very still few scientists and engineers they know about quantum. Third, security risk. As quantum is a very powerful technology, it may also break our security systems. Fourth, need extreme conditions. Quantum mechanism always works at low temperature, but the low temperature is not available everywhere, so we can't place quantum everywhere. Now let's talk about the future is quantum. Yes, there are a lot of potential and challenges of quantum mechanism or quantum application or quantum science or quantum technology, but we should need to use the quantum mechanism to improve our modern era. So first, quantum will power tomorrow's technology. As in the potential section, we know that quantum applications are being used to make quantum computers that is used to put on calculations within a second. And it gives us the accurate result without any error. Second, quantum will solve big global problems. It can help to discover new medicines, create new energy forms and will improve our climate mode. Third, quantum skill will save future careers. The next generation of scientists, teachers, innovators, doctors will use this quantum mechanism to further strengthen the future system. As we see that there is a lot of challenges and potential regarding this quantum mechanism, so we can conclude that we should use the potential things of quantum mechanism to make our future better. Thank you.